Today's recipe is little special. It's village style, traditional, and extremely nutritious. We are making instant idlis using broad beans. Let's begin by boiling the water. I have taken about 1.5 glass of water here. While the water is boiling, let's prepare tempering in another pan. Heat about 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 2 tablespoons sesame seeds. Then add chopped spring onions, 1/4 cup green pigeon peas, that is tuar, and 1/4 cup of broad beans. Saute everything well. And next we do is add coriander leaves. Add 8 to 10 curry leaves, 2 to 3 chopped green chillies, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's saute this well. On the side, I see water has already boiled. Let's add this hot water to the tempering and give it all a good mix. Once the peas are nicely cooked, we'll add salt to taste. This looks almost done. Let's turn off the flame and add 1 cup of rice flour. Give this all a good mix until there are no lumps. Now transfer this mixture to a plate. And allow it to cool. Now let's prep for the idlis. We'll grease the idli molds with oil. And on the side, let's heat some water in idli cooker. Now let's make small patty shapes with the mixture. Place them in the mold. And steam it for about 10 minutes. Ten minutes are done. Let's turn off the flame and let the cooker cool slightly. Now let's check on the idlis. You can see they are soft and nicely cooked. And this looks perfectly done. Add a dollop of ghee and serve this hot with chutney of your choice. These instant idlis are super nutritious and full of energy. Do give this recipe a try, and if you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.